Yeah, it is. I walked out of the house this morning and said, I'm gonna need a coat. You guys can keep conversating. I'm just videoing as well.
I can't talk about it.
Denton's got the best post-hunt interviews I've ever seen in my life.
We should do one.
he starts stuttering.
I'm the same way. I can't even talk.
I could sit here and talk to you all day. As soon as I look at that camera, I'm like, I don't know what to say.
I'm the same way.
I just found an opening.
Man appears from corn. Holy cow, there goes some ducks.
Well, we got a corn hide today. We got about 200 geese hitting this field. They cut it way too early, so they've been here for like a month, and they're coming from the north, and hopefully we can shoot them up. We got 11 guys, and we're in western New York, where you can shoot 6 shots, unplugged guns, so
yep.
There'll be a lot of shots raining out if the geese show up.
Yeah, pretty amazing how good a hide this is, just stepping one row into the corn. I mean, they walk in there and you can't. This corn is massive, by the way. This is 9-foot tall corn.
Some good corn.
Yeah, it's huge. But a lot of these geese are coming from the north, like you said, which is actually going to be coming from straight behind us. So we're not gonna hear them, but we won't see them.
They make some noise.
Hopefully they do a big. We just kind of made a blob of decoys out here right in front of us, and hopefully we can pull them in here tight to the corn.
Dan, are we moving them trucks? No. Well, my trailer's out in the field. Looks like a corn or
You have anything you want to add to this, Dane?
Shit. Hopefully they fly.
Yep. It's a lot colder this morning than yesterday morning. We'll see. I thought it was coming from the other way. I didn't realize it came from over there.
I was gonna grab my gun.
I didn't miss that one, Cliff.
No, you got that one.
I can't hide right into this spread there. No stun to you. Hey, if you're gonna jeer the group, just don't miss. What do we say? You really would have got your ball bag if you missed. Just clean it up. And I'm sure when that happens, you don't have any paper towels in your truck or anything. I did have shit.
I only shot twice.
I shot twice too. That was fucking. That couldn't have gone better.
Get one? No, not getting the stuff on my chair. Armrest.
I got them all. Oh, they were shooting when we were shooting. Yeah. Yeah, they just shot.
Are they in the next county?
No, they're
That one almost landed on you, Cliff.
yeah.
I poofed him right here.
I killed one like 20 yards behind us.
I missed him twice, and I finally got him. I'm like, oh shit, he's gonna fall on you.
There's one that's like 20 yards straight back.
Yeah, I think you actually hit it.
What's that?
You shot it.
Yeah, it's dead. I watched it.
Leave that Nate just dropped.
Yeah, here they come.
was me. That was me. I knew somebody over there was going to pull the trigger.
I was just standing back.
I don't know. You fucking picked the first.
Those look like ducks.
Come! Come back around. Come!
The whole flock's dead.
Hell yeah. That was awesome. I think the one went back here.
I didn't know there was another one that
Right
went. I
here.
just saw that one.
Hey, Dan. Right here.
Oh,
You could have died.
People were dodging geese everywhere.
Getting killed by a goddamn goose.
dude, we were hunting on Chautauqua once, and Zane was out of the decoys, and I hunkered down. And
So hot.
Well,
I just shot.
it's been a pretty awesome morning so far. We just had another flock come in and we shot into them. Then the rest of the birds circled back around and came right back in, and we mopped the whole flock. Pretty awesome. We've been sitting in the corn is perfect. Denton dodging geese over here. There's a cripple over there that we're going to grab here, but going good so far.
Yeah. Come!
Mr.
best time. Unless it's closer to the corn, I didn't go that way.
Yeah, look at that. Even its beak is got a bunch of white on it.
Looks pretty dead to me.
It's a pretty dead goose. Nice.
Should make some jerky.
Let me see that.
Nice for trade.
Well, we got into them pretty good this morning. I'm not sure how many we got, but they worked pretty awesome right into the edge of the corn here, and we wiped them up. We mopped one entire flock after it gave us another pass. Well, not really even a pass. I mean, they were coming back in, so pretty awesome morning. Andrew put us on them. Good job, Andrew. We got all the honkers piled up here, and we've got 40 of them right on the money, right?
Yep.
40. So it was an awesome shoot, and got a lot of shooting in, and now we got a lot of goose breasting to do. I think Garrett's gonna clean them all for us.
Oh yeah.
His old lady Macy loves cleaning geese. She likes eating goose too.